I'm very excited to watch the paddle game live, and I'm here to support the Game Changers Lion. I think it's going to be very exciting. मैंने try तो किया है paddle, but actually live कभी नहीं देखा है, तो मज़ा आएगा.
What do you have to say about sports overall? With so many leagues being introduced and being popular now all over the world.
Yeah,
Legends playing and
absolutely. I think sports is something that I always support. I am into fitness. I love working out, and anything that new comes up, I love trying it, and I'm always curious. And paddle is one of that. So yeah, looking forward to it. Thank you.
बस
थैंक यू
ना ना बटवारा ना
मैडम
बन्ने नल्ला
league talking about sports now, big sports enthusiasts.
I think sports, any which ways, the whole energy that it brings along, and this is great to see a lot of world-class athletes coming together under one roof. And I think it's a great combination of world-class sports and entertainment. So I'm really looking forward to it. I'm here to support Game Changer Lions. They've already won one game yesterday. So all the best for today as well, and looking forward. Thank you.
Priyanka, talking about more about sports, what comes to your mind? Sports, women, especially women crowd. We have women players also doing.
Yeah, I think it's really great to see that a lot of women players are also, playing today. I always say that sports bring along a lot of positivity and enthusiasm, and the kind of anxiety level and everything that everybody goes through these days. I think sports is something that really we should look up to. It not only brings positivity, but I also feel that it's great for body and mind, and it's a must do for in today's world. Thank you. Thank you so much.
About the team.
Well, Game Changer Lions, yes, is playing this season. We've been into paddle from the last 3 seasons, and one of the most prestige paddle leagues, that is the World Paddle League. And the team is consistent of having the top players. When we talk about that, we have the top world number 2 and 3 in women's. We've got the legends in men who've been playing for the last 30 years. So yes, Team Lions is one of the most fightiest, gameplay this year.
Talking about your experience in the entire league, so your season 3, how has it been and what's been the most interesting aspect of the league?
Well, the aspect of the league is definitely the kind of game paddle is, and the kind is picking up is immensely. You can see paddle going into the market so rapidly this time. So we are very, very happy to get paddle in India, and having Mumbai being chosen for that is something that we were looking in for, and we've got the right kind of audience to that.
Talking about the players and the coach, tell us a little bit more about them.
The coach and the players, of course, as I told you, we have the world number 2 and 3 in women's, and we've got legends who've been playing in the last 30 years. Players across, the paddle ranking of top 50 are in this league. So I think, having said that, this league and Game Changer Lions is there just to win.
And what are the expectations, Zara?
The expectation is just the trophy for sure.
Right. We have Himani also here, the league owner. Himani, tell us more about the league and your association with Game Changers Lions.
So at World Paddle League, we have the best of the talent in the world, and we are a league which we have 6 franchise. We have great franchise owners with us who've been associated since season 1, and Game Changers has been with us since season 2, and they've been consistent with us. We are so happy to have them on board because they're such supportive franchise owners, and it's become more like family with them now. So because they're not just in paddle with us, but they have their franchise in our tennis league, which is the World Tennis League, and also in our upcoming golf league. So we're just looking forward to having a great season with them, and wishing them all the best for this season, and hoping the best men win.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.